Sometimes danger doesn't leave you with enough time to react. That's why Subaru EyeSight is designed to anticipate danger on the road and even step in with the automatic emergency steering system. Here's how it works. A car ahead has pulled over to the side, but it's partially blocking your lane. EyeSight will alert you both visually and audibly while braking. But if there's not enough time to stop, EyeSight can activate automatic emergency steering. After quickly analyzing the space between the two vehicles and determining there's enough room and no oncoming traffic, the system can automatically apply the brakes and steer you around the other car, all while keeping you in your lane. That's the reassurance of having an extra set of eyes every time you drive. Because there's safe, and then there's Subaru safe.